my idea. But Kwabena, maybe some custom before House of Folk, Namedi Urakotokum. But to celebrate House of Folk, no pan. I dear when I'm person Yabawomo. I dear back one House of Folk for real fita. Namia, media cansem. And so, over spare me just 2 minutes of your time. Nah, media celebrate House of Folk. This is my cake for House of Folk. Me cake, I'm the House of Folk. I think the way I the House of Folk for any Jehu party. Kwabena, I'm share Facebook and bet my video. No, I'm so much, no, so sweaty audio. No, we are the bedroom, so I can't see me at Kwabena.
And Danquay scores beautifully. It's 1-1. Still nothing to chill between the two sides. 1-1 in regulation time. To the ball. And he scores expertly. And he scores. It's 2-1. Edmond, and the kick is saved. And he scores. It's 3-2 with the penalty shootout. Only have to score one. And he's very close to the ball while he scores. It's incredible. Oh, beautiful strike from Akari. They call him the Asante. And Asante scores. For the Phobbians. And he's saved. It's incredible. And Montgomery Kukanabo, can he score? And he scores. And Laurie scores. Mohamed, can he score? And he scores beautifully. Oh, lovely kick from Daniel. And he also scores beautifully. Oh, lovely kick from a bloody Bogan. And he scores. Michael is come of age. And he scores. George Owu can save it. It's still deadlocked. Joseph Henriks. And Henriks' kick is saved. Henriks' kick is saved. Michael Donko against George Owu. And Michael Donko scores. Hearts are the champions of the Confederation Cup. Glorious Hearts have lifted the trophy. Believe it or not.
Kwabena, may I sure say this very much. I mean, who
you show TV so.
Who show TV so?
Yeah, Mama Stadium.
Oh, okay.
Now, pass on alarm, Mama Stadium.
Maybe I was at the stadium.
Mama.
It be share match maybe. And Kwabena, the American say House of Folk with a normal my we are I think it's incredible and praiseworthy because on my idea we have trophies our magic in terms of league, FA Cup, Kwabena, continental glories of Mania. So House of Folk as a club to G League it was 6 times. 6 good times in this country. I am unprecedented 7 seeder. So club will be G League at was 6 good times. It been seeder. And then one more crowning with the Champions League. For the first time for a Ghanaian club or maybe in the Champions League. I'm not talking of the club we back on your friends say club championship. No? The same thing. We are now metaphors too. We are now metaphors too. But for the first time a Ghanaian club at the Champions League. I don't know. Then they went ahead to win the Super Cup. And on J a Confederation Cup. So has it deserves so was your bomber.
Sure.
Adia Baku and House of Folk lucky as a club. Now you can't want some those days. You can't want some man say they cannot boast of any facility be any baby because House of Folk, with the exception of the secretariat and the crown on His Royal Highness Mebo Now on my end for
Sure.
Now hasn't been boasting of anything good. But an idea they can boast of the Popiman project.
Sure.
Project may sure say one of the best on the African continent. One of the best on the African continent. And the House of Folk as a club is doing very well. But now, so much we are me me. People some said that Ben best I could those days in movie.
Yes.
That's the question I'm asking myself. Said that Ben and you bet me as I cause our deep this in
Eddie.
That Ben you be who Kotoko House of Folk performing so well like this. That Ben you be
Sure.
when that Ben you be who Saudi Arabia. Where your CAF Confederation Cup and 2 clubs from Ghana, the maiden edition, Eco Final. When any of who's had the way be Ghana. So our clubs are performing so well in Africa. That many who's had it.
Sure.
That is the question we was I take you so many years. House of Folk winning trophy that was in 2004. Come free one. And one no. Obiamo proper baby. How many years in it? That is about 17 good years as a country. 17 good years. You tell me more about Africa. Don't it is something is fundamentally wrong with us as a football nation?
Sure.
When you see a lucky baby pa, and you're serious, and you also take a critical look at it. Both clubs, me and the one who I want to House of Folk in our performance in Africa is bad. I'm not even trophy local champions. Do you know why Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you know, as the first club of the century? Do you know why?
Hey, Africa.
Oh, you see a league in the Abon Bettina and Kotoko, sir, title. No, International Federation of Football History and Statistics. They sat down and said, no, Kumasi Asante Kotoko performance in Africa. It's overwhelming. This is a club almost every year you see them partaking in African Champions League.
Sure.
And yes, I'm mere participants. I'm partaking. Yeah. Is it the final or the semi-final?
Sure.
Will be the quarter-final stage. Yeah. And so, per the records of Asante Kotoko, now, International Football Federation of History and Statistics, by Pase Kotoko and Famobia. House of Folk won themselves the accolade Continental Club Masters because of that performance in the space of about 5 years. Now, House of Folk had every trophy there is on the African continent.
Sure.
Every trophy. No House of Folk on the African continent. And so when and the best called those days in game. I mean, sure say yes, celebrate us. The Amoya no more, yeah, the Kotokoya, or yeah, but may remind you, I'm say every chum and tay. You who clubs women in some of Africa. Tell them uncle, yeah, to
Sure.
You woman, some women who buy finer. Saudi, we're not the rest of Africa, you know, no Angelos Ghana. Meboa, say I introduce a new trophy. Yeah, this new competition about not 2 clubs from West African country, from the same country, no. And to me, I go final. So when any of who's Saudi Arabia, what you say? Kabra, the American say, baby, a House of Folk, Papa be a West one. We are sure Saudi away, His Royal Highness, Mo, Honorable Vincent of the Teso, one of my larger cannon, you are Franco Conas and Mon Transmama. I view no trust no one say, your club no. And maybe a chamu near Africa, ye bodinya. Yes, ye day. Ye come. And it also go back to those days. You make what I say. So that you better recognize the PM our Africa. Because for a club, you team name as the best 8 club in the whole world. The whole world in Africa. Wow. We are seeing yes, House of Folk, you are ranking us as the best 8 club in Africa. So come now, me trust them. Show where they are. Say no, you are Juma. I was saying, you are when you baby. You make what you say. And can be being your clubs in the middle. House of Folk is celebrating their birthday today, but bibi ni ade kai ho say you nya dey si papa pen. What you say? House ne kotoko. To mu mienu nyina nyiru omo ho. Emo bra papa bi. Na yen sa recognize the Africa na ye bra na ye boni sese ne de nya bra papa ana meboa nya bra papa What the Tariani and why Africa created to us young cop. Yami County as a and so I'm not talking to House of Folk alone. We are celebrating them today. We celebrate the achievement. Adioma Yano, we are proud of them as Ghanaians. Yami County as here. Woman Sikwanimu, but the catch on say we are urging them to do more. And I'm a boy. Yes, let us urge them to do more. Kwabna, Yamna Black Stars.
Sure.